When it comes to home improvement, door installation may seem like a simple task. However, many homeowners in Sanford overlook the details that can lead to costly mistakes and delays. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, the process requires careful planning and execution. Here are the top mistakes to avoid when installing doors in Sanford homes to ensure a smooth and successful project. Skipping the measurement step. One of the most common mistakes people make is neglecting to take accurate measurements before buying a door. Failing to measure the door frame correctly can result in purchasing a door that doesn't fit properly, leading to gaps, drafts, or a door that won't close properly. Always measure the width, height, and depth of the frame before shopping for a new door. If you're unsure of your measurements, it's a good idea to consult a professional or even hire a door installer who knows how to get precise dimensions. Choosing the wrong material. The material of the door is more than just a matter of aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in the door's durability and insulation. In Sanford, where temperatures can vary, it's important to choose a material that suits the local climate. Wooden doors are classic and offer great insulation, but they can warp over time due to moisture or temperature fluctuations. Steel and fiberglass doors are more durable and resistant to the elements, making them ideal for homeowners looking for low-maintenance options. Be sure to consider the climate and maintenance needs when selecting your door material. Improper installation of weather stripping. Another key mistake is failing to properly install weather stripping around the door. Poor weather stripping can allow drafts and moisture to enter your home, affecting your indoor comfort and energy efficiency. When installing your door, make sure the weather stripping is tightly secured and fully seals the gaps around the door frame. This step is especially important for exterior doors in Sanford, where humidity and rain can easily sneak through unsealed openings. Neglecting to account for door swing and clearance. Before installing your door, it's essential to plan the door swing and ensure that it opens in the right direction. Whether it swings inward or outward depends on the room's layout and how you want to use the space. Not accounting for door swing can lead to an awkward installation that doesn't function well. Additionally, ensure that there's enough clearance for the door to open freely without hitting furniture, walls, or other obstacles. This seemingly small detail can prevent unnecessary frustration down the road. Ignoring the importance of a level frame. A door that isn't installed within a level frame can cause all sorts of issues, including difficulty opening or closing the door and unnecessary wear on the door hardware. It's vital to ensure that the door frame is perfectly level before securing the door. An unlevel frame can lead to misalignment, causing the door to stick or even break under stress. Professional installers use specialized tools, such as shims, to ensure the door frame is level. If you're doing the installation yourself, double-check the frame before proceeding. Skipping the door hardware installation. The final step in door installation is often overlooked: proper installation of the hardware. Whether you're adding a doorknob, deadbolt, or handle, making sure these elements are installed correctly is crucial for both security and functionality. Improper installation can lead to loose hardware or, worse, a door that doesn't latch securely. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and make sure the hardware is aligned correctly before securing it in place. Overlooking aesthetics and curb appeal. While functionality is the priority when installing a door, don't overlook its visual appeal. A door serves as the focal point of your entryway, and its appearance can significantly impact your home's curb appeal. Choose a style and finish that complement the overall design of your home. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a modern fiberglass option, or something in between, be sure the door you choose fits your home's architectural style. Consider the color, texture, and design to create an inviting first impression. Hiring an inexperienced installer. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes is hiring an inexperienced or unqualified installer. While DIY installation might be tempting, door installation often requires precise skills and knowledge to get it right. A professional installer will ensure that the door is hung properly, sealed against the elements, and that all hardware is fitted securely. In addition, professionals have the tools and expertise to handle any unexpected issues that may arise during the process. Conclusion: door installation in Sanford homes can be a straightforward task if you avoid these common mistakes. Accurate measurements, choosing the right material, properly installing weather stripping, ensuring a level frame, and paying attention to aesthetics will help you avoid frustration and achieve the best possible results. Whether you're installing a front door, patio door, or interior door, taking the time to plan and execute the installation carefully will ensure your new door enhances both the functionality and beauty of your home.